Why bother with a drawer full of sharp knives when you can just have a nice container like this, fill it with rice, and stick all your knives into it. Easy to take out and put back in. Doesn't get much easier. These olive oil containers can be heavy and slippery. Grab yourself your favorite beverage container, fill it with olive oil, grab one of these olive oil spigots, and it makes a great light container in the kitchen. Everyone these days wants granite countertops, but granite is porous and it can take in water, and it needs yearly maintenance. So what I did was I went to Home Depot and I got these porcelain tiles. They're 24 by 12. They're non-porous, has a great shine, it looks great, and is way cheaper. Any tea cozies that you buy, the spout or the handle is usually sticking out, and that's where you lose all the heat. Well, my wife Betty, she made this great tea cozy, and it's double thickness. It fits over the teapot super easy, and it keeps it hot for a really long time. Just take it off, grab the handle, and pour a cup of tea. I installed this old antique grate at the back door. It measures 34 by 34. You can walk in with wet boots and wet shoes and put them on top of there, and they'll dry off, and the wet snow will drip down into the tray below. I've got forced air heat in the center of it, and it keeps your shoes nice and dry and warm. Everyone needs a hidden key in case they get locked out of the house. So get yourself a couple of coins that a magnet will stick to, then get some silicone and silicone them to your key. Then take the magnet and epoxy it under a patio table or a patio chair or whatever you like. Use an old window as a dry erase board to keep track of all the things you have to get done. Depending on where your fridge sits in the room, it can have an unsightly gap between the fridge and the wall. Just get a thin piece of wood, epoxy about 8 magnets to the back of it, paint it up, and stick it to the fridge. It really improves the look. Here's another project that my wife Beth did. She took this old coffee table that was plated in brass and she sprayed it with a gunmetal brown paint. It looks fantastic. It's almost like having a new coffee table. In our rec room, we've got no lights on the ceiling. And when we came into the room, we wanted these two lights over here to come on. So all I did was I added a cheap remote control to the bottom of the light switch. Here's the other end on the wall. So all I did was I took a 2-liter pop bottle and I cut a piece of plastic out and I siliconed it to the switch. Then I drilled a hole in it so it would line up with the bottom screw in the switch plate. Then I reinstalled it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the little bell button to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.